What is up, you beautiful people? In this video, I will show you how exactly to find your prospect's email ID, phone number, whatever contact details that you can find to give them a call, land them as a client using 3 different platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. I have learned from my good friend Leela Shankar. He is one of our Alpha Club community member. Recently did a podcast with him. I'll link to that as well. It was an incredible video. You can go ahead and check it out, and in this video I'll take it up a notch, give you some hacks around how exactly to find your prospects contact details using all these platforms and how exactly to approach them, right? So yeah, let's get into the video.
Alright, so let me show you how exactly we can do this. Plus there is a bonus waiting for you at the end if you watch this complete video thing. So let's get started. Cool. So here we are on the Google, and so all you have to do is use Google to find email addresses or phone numbers of your prospects from any of the websites that you want. Example, let's say I want to extract somebody's email address from LinkedIn, right? So I'll just simply put site : linkedin.com/ let's say in, and then space, and under colons just type in their work. Let's say chiropractor, yeah, and then put a space and tag @gmail.com. Done. Boom. Now here you will find all these chiropractors Gmail ID right here on the Google search result page. This is fantastic, right? So if you want to type in a specific country, that's it. Just put United States here. That works. Yeah. Now this is for LinkedIn. If I want to do the same thing with Instagram, here's how you do it. Just type in site instagram.com, put in chiropractor, and do this. Now boom, you can find your prospects right here on Google search result page with this particular keyword. If you want to work with real estate people, boom, you got this. Yeah. Let's say we put country, put down US, not US, United States. You can try out, let's say if you want, you can try out like different locations in US. That also works. Yeah. So this is one hack. The third hack that I use is you can use, let's say, YouTube. Many people provide, let's say you are a video editor and you only work with YouTubers out there. So this is this pretty cool hack that I have discovered. Just put site youtube.com. You can put down the category, let's say education, and then if you want their phone number, just put in +91. Then you'll find all these numbers right here if they are in the education field, right? Just put +1, you'll find all these folks. +1 would be like all these folks in Canada. So US phone number code, we have +1. Okay, dialing code. Yeah. So yeah, this is what you can use. And if you want to get their Gmail IDs, just put gmail.com and you are sorted. Yeah. So if you just put email right here, some people just try to put down their email and colon and type in the name of their institution. Sometimes you might get their email, sometimes not, but the @gmail.com thing never fails. Yeah. So this is for YouTube, and it's pretty easy to script this data as well. So let's go to let's say we go to Instagram and we want to target doctors, and let's say doctors in India. So I'll put +91. Yeah. We have some numbers coming up here. Yeah, but not all. But I'll also type in, let's say, @gmail.com just to get the email IDs. Yeah. Cool. So what I'll do is I'll copy whatever numbers I have. Let's say I copy till this. I'll go to my trusty friend ChatGPT. You can also use some scraping tools like Instant Data Scraper, but ChatGPT is pretty smart, right? I'll just put represent the following data in a tabular form. Extract names, Instagram handles, phone numbers, and emails from the following. Boom. Do this, and there you go. It's all in one place. Sometimes it has not gotten the Instagram ka handle, but I think it's the same guy. But yeah, anywho, you got like all this data here, and if you just do this for the entire search page, you'll find it all. And if I remove this +91 limit and only get the email IDs of doctors, there are like 9,000 results. So all I have to do is, let's say, remove the +91, and now you see it's like site instagram.com doctor whatever, and there are like 63,000 results. Come on, you'll never run out of leads with this hack, right? And the 63,000 doctors right here on Instagram. Just send cold emails, you're good to go. And if you just put +91, you got 4,000 people who have shared their numbers. Just cold call them. It's totally up to you. Alright, because you have been here with me for so long, there is one special bonus for you. I'll tell you how exactly you can scrap data from Crunchbase if at all you want to work with startups who can pay you a lot of money, right? But before that, I would love it if you can hit like on this button, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Now, another bonus hack for you is this. So many times I find people who want to target startups which are usually listed in sites like Crunchbase, right? So let's say I want to target people in Crunchbase. So I'll do the same thing. And let's say I want startups who have raised a funding round of Series A. I'll just type in that, and then I'll type in contact email, and it's like a little bit of permutation combination, but yeah, there you go. There you go. List of startups. There are 30,000 startups with Series A funding. If I put B, we got 14,000 of those. If we put C, we got 6,000 of those. So you get my point, right? Like, you don't need any tool, you don't need any fancy software. If you are just smart enough, you can find anybody's email address in the world, and you can start drafting your cold email sequence to start sending these people. Yeah. Alright, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a comment about what you thought, so that it motivates me to create more such unique videos for you. And to help you get more data, send more cold emails, grow your freelancing or agency business online. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.